Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coder Learn. I'm Anjan and in this channel we'll cover the basics of Java programming language. This tutorial series is made specially for the IC students to grasp the basics and advanced concept of Java. So let's get started. So in this section we'll learn about the fundamentals of object-oriented principle and the concept of object and classes. So what is a class? A class is a blueprint from which objects are made. So we may think class as a folder which contains all the necessary information about the object of that class. Like in this example of blue BMW car is an object of car class. Now to develop this car, we need to have a blueprint. Similarly, in case of Java, we need to specify all the details inside a class to make the object of that class. Okay, so let's move ahead to the next concept. Now, what is an object? An object is a software bundle of related state and behaviors. That means an object has properties and behaviors. Like in the previous example of that car, it has a color property set to blue and some behaviors like run, accelerate, brakes, etc. So in Java, actually represent these properties with variables and behaviors with the help of methods or functions. Now let's talk about how a basic structure of a Java program looks like. So to start any program, you need to make a class and give a name, preferably the first letter as capital letter as per the Java naming convention. But you can give your class name as starting with small letter also. After that, you have to give a curly brace. This opening and closing curly brace specifies the scope of a block. Now, inside the class, you have to include the main method. Now, what is main method? The main method is the starting point of execution of any class. Without that, no class will be executed. That means it is like an engine of a car. Without that, the car won't start. So you have to include the main method. Now the structure of a main method is like public static void main inside the bracket string args. Now the details of these keywords will be explained in later videos. In this main method, we are writing system.out.println. What is system.out.println? So this is a method of Java which is used to print anything in the console or the screen of the computer. So here we are writing hello world inside the double quote which will give us the output of hello world in the console. Okay, so that's for the video. In the next video, we'll learn different principles of object oriented programming. Till then, bye everyone.